Ready to ditch the energy-guzzling ways of the past and dive into the eco-friendly future of Ethereum? Ethereum's big upgrade, moving from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake, means you can now earn rewards simply by staking your ETH, contributing to the network security, and validating transactions. We're going to break down how this all works in under 90 seconds. First, staking is essentially locking up your ETH to participate in the Ethereum network. Think of it like a security deposit that shows you're invested in the network's success. By staking, you become a validator, responsible for verifying transactions and adding new blocks to the blockchain. As a validator, you'll earn rewards. These rewards come from a combination of newly issued ETH, transaction fees paid by users, and MEV, or maximum extractable value. The more ETH you stake, the higher your potential rewards. Now, there are two main ways to stake: solo staking and using a staking pool. Solo staking requires you to have at least 32 ETH and run your own validator node, maintaining the hardware and software. This gives you the most control and highest potential rewards. If you don't have 32 ETH, don't worry. Staking pools allow you to pool your ETH with others, lowering the barrier to entry while you'll share the rewards with the pool. It's a much more accessible option. Rocket Pool, Lido, and Coinbase are examples of reputable staking pools. So, why stake? You earn passive income, contribute to the security and stability of the Ethereum network, and have a say in its future governance. It's a win-win. Ethereum staking is a core part of its vision for a secure, decentralized, and sustainable blockchain. Ready to explore staking? Dive into the research, choose your method, and start earning rewards while shaping the future of Ethereum. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more crypto explainers.